All right, everybody, it's Angelo Christian. Today we have another awesome TV giveaway. Every month we do a raffle where we run a prize for one of our clients that just closed on their house. And if you're out there looking to buy a home or you just closed with us, you actually get the chance to enter and win for a free big screen TV or refrigerator. Every single month, Angelo Christian, we give away a prize to one of our clients that closed. And today we're with the McNutt family that just closed on their home, brand new house right behind me. And we're going to knock on the door and we're going to learn about him and get his story and how we actually helped him close on his new house. So you guys come with me over the shoulder. We'll go meet our new client, Mr. McNutt. It's a beautiful house, huh? Hey, Paul, what's going on, man? Hey, how are you, man? Thank you so much. Well, congratulations. You're actually the lucky winner for a brand new big screen TV.
Oh, that is awesome. Yeah. Excuse the dog.
Oh, no, that's awesome. A beautiful house, man.
Yeah, thank you.
No, thank you so much. We want to actually come outside and give the gift to you and present it to you. Is that cool?
Oh, that is awesome.
All right, come on out, man.
Very excited about this.
Yeah, sure. Well, hello everyone, it's Angelo Christian here. Again, we have a great TV giveaway today with our wonderful client, Mr. Paul McNutt.
Thank you, Angelo.
Yeah,
thank you so much.
Man, awesome, man. Thank you. So your house is beautiful. I love your home, man.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
We've been looking forward to owning one finally.
Yeah. Well, congratulations on the big screen TV. Every single month we do a giveaway. We have a raffle. We run this, and then we basically give a prize, either a big screen TV or refrigerator, over to one of our clients. You actually won the prize for September. So. You know, if you don't mind, one of the things that we always do whenever we do a giveaway is we want to know a little bit about your story, your background. You know, what were you doing prior? Were you renting? Were you owning? So can you kind of share with us just a little bit about?
Absolutely, Angelo. Okay. So, yeah, my wife and I, Patty, had been renting for 7 years. This home, to be exact.
Okay.
You know, we really got tired of throwing our money away and thought it was time to invest and buy a home.
Yeah.
And started looking on the internet and found American Financial Network.
Okay.
And 5 stars. Had phoned you guys. Process was so easy. I tell you, I was a bit overwhelmed and nervous about the whole process, but dealing with Danny, yourself, and Michael, very painless.
Yeah.
I would never thought that.
Right.
Hands
awesome.
Down,
that means a lot to me. We obviously we strive very hard to help people, to give them the best service. And you know, let me ask you this. I mean, you said you were renting for how long?
7 years.
Okay. What was the number one thing stopping you from buying a house at that time?
Well, my wife and I are both early 50s, and it's no excuse by all means. So we kept procrastinating, really, Angelo. And you know, once we pondered and thought about purchasing it, it only made sense.
Yeah.
Interest rates going up and whatnot. So, and I'll tell you, when we spoke to you guys, yourself, Danny, and you guys explained all the features and benefits, and purchasing it, it only made sense.
Right.
You know.
Well, if you think about it, I mean, how much was your rent here?
It was $1,400 a month.
And then you do the math. $1,400 a month in a year. That's 15 grand.
Times 7 years. Yeah.
That's basically half the mortgage.
Absolutely.
So I mean, did you just wake up one day and you say, hey, I gotta?
We did. We felt, and we should have felt that a long time ago, Angelo, that kid got, we're throwing our money away. Just like you did the math, $1,400 times 12 months a year. It's quite a bit of money. And yeah, it's time to invest that instead of just throw it away. So.
Right. And the long-term benefits is that, I mean, the area that you're in, and I don't know what your long-term plans are, but this could also turn to a great rental property.
Absolutely.
And you own it. And your tenants could pay down on it.
Sure.
I mean, that's not a bad idea.
No, it's a wonderful idea. Yeah. So that's something we possibly will explore. So, yeah, just a win-win both ways around.
Yeah, I mean, that's the one thing that we always talk about with a lot of our clients, that every wealthy entrepreneur, investor I know, real estate's in their portfolio, and it always makes a lot of sense to invest in real estate. You look at over time, like this house 10 years ago was probably at least $25,000 cheaper.
Sure.
Right, and over time, real estate goes up at least 3% a year, and now you've kind of changed the game. Now you're playing the chess match. You're more in your favor. You've invested in this. You're going to pay it down. And this thing's going to go nothing but up in value. Whether you stay here or you lease it out to someone else, it just, from a financial standpoint, it makes a lot more sense to invest in this as opposed to just paying your landlord and making him rich.
Sure.
Now you're going to be potentially the landlord one day. So I want to commend you for, you know, because there's millions of people that we talk to every single year that they're on the fence about buying a house. They're scared. They think that their bank wants them to have an 800 credit score,
Sure.
or they have to put 20 or 30% down, or have to pay all these exorbitant fees, and so they stay renting, and they make their landlord rich, and they're not happy. They don't have something they can call their own. So I just want to show that, guys, that this is true testament. Someone that just closed on their house, that if he can do it, you can do it. Whether you're, it doesn't matter if you're in New York, Orlando, California, you can own a house.
And you're absolutely right, Angelo. And thank you to American Financial Institute for making